Exercise 29. This exercise comes after the lessons on for loops. Well, after the beginning of the lesson on for loops. Write a program that has a list of numbers. Write a for loop that goes through the list and prints each number multiplied by 2. So if the list has 1, 2, 3, and 4, the loop should print 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, this is pretty straightforward. So then we create our for loop for num in my list. Print. Let's get a bit creative. Num times 2 equals num multiplied by 2. That's it. So if we run this, it tells you 2 times 2 is 4, 6 times 2 is 12, 7 times 2 is 14, 24 times 2 is 48. Okay. Thank you for watching. Sign up for our Python lessons 1-on-1. See you in the next exercise.